Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I will show you some more use cases of our virtual 3D offices and how you can use them in different niches. In my previous videos I already showed you how they can look like for virtual shops or also in the recruiting space. But over the last weeks I saw so many other metaverse agencies or game development studios which all only had boring 2D websites even when they work on 3D applications and spaces. Especially in those areas it would make sense to stand out from the crowd of competitors and be able to show your clients exactly what they can expect of a metaverse or game later. So you can use the 3D space as a portfolio to showcase different videos, offer AI customer testimonials to give a little view behind your development processes and to build up trust, or also having an AI receptionist, for example, who can already pre-qualify your clients and add new leads directly to your CM tool.
Hello and welcome to Bollig Consulting. Marcus is currently in a meeting, but I can show you already our office if you want.
Yes, sure.
Okay, then please follow me. I will now guide you through the office and show you the different rooms. This is our sales and more program. I am sure you are already a customer of us, right?
Yes.
Then you maybe know friends who also want to scale their business, which you can recommend to us. So you can win awesome prices, like a trip to Dubai with Marcus.
If all this already sound interesting, then I will blow your mind with the following benefits those 3D spaces have in comparison to normal 2D websites. We live in times where more and more agencies get founded daily, especially in hyped markets like the metaverse or also in the AI or like in the game industry. So that's why it's more important than ever before to stand out from the crowd and set you apart of your competition. With virtual offices, you can give clients a space to already get all informations about your company, team, testimonials and workflows, and that all in one space. And all this in a fun and interactive way which will stay in the minds of your clients there in the long term. So they will remember you later again when they really need your assistance or when they saved some money and can afford your services. Also at the same time, everyone nowadays have a normal boring 2D website and maybe even spend much money on it to have a nice design, good copywriting and all that stuff. But all this in the end doesn't matter because those websites only get visited for around 50 seconds. And I'm quite sure that this will be similar on your end. And if you also track those values or the watch time there of your website with Google Analytics, for example, then feel free to check that out and track those values basically. Because now my question to you is, do you think that you can convince your visitors in only 50 seconds that you're the perfect partner for them to work with? That's almost impossible, so it's important to hook your visitors with something new like a virtual office and keep them in the space and keep them hooked using gamification, so you even have more time to show them what sets your company apart from your competition. We of course also have a virtual 3D office for our own game development studio called Neox Entertainment, and in our company we was able to triple the watch time of our website using this virtual 3D office, and all that with cold leads visiting the virtual space. And that's quite impressive, I would say, and we didn't even added much gamification there. We are still in the process of building out this office further and all that stuff. And of course those offices are not only built to, I don't know, impress your clients or give them a nice impression in your company, they're actually built to boost your sales, since you can build up trust in an area where people maybe already made a lot of bad experiences with other service providers, especially in the game development industry. I met so many clients who already made bad experiences with other developers and all that stuff. And that's really crazy. And all those people which will come to you have trust issues basically, because they think that you might be the next person who want to scam them or something like that. And especially in those areas in the gaming industry, but I guess in the metaverse space it will be similar, it is important to show your clients what they can expect when they work together with you. And you can perfectly show that in a virtual 3D space where people can already have a conversation with AI customer testimonials to learn more about the processes, but also where you can show maybe some videos or really give them a roadshow through your company or through this virtual 3D space. I guess also for metaverse agencies this will be important, since people can then also already see how applications like this can look like and how businesses can get automated using the AI characters. Because those mentioned AI characters can act as consultants to work out ideas and brainstorm about game ideas, or like how you should set up a game or a metaverse or all that stuff with your clients, and also would be able to schedule meetings, since they can get connected with automation tools like Zapier or all that stuff, so leads can directly get added in your CRM tool, so you can keep track about all the potential clients there basically and can follow up them. Now you may think that's nice, but I can easily build this stuff myself, especially if you're running a game development studio. Yeah, that's right, but we already built the frameworks you later also can sell to your clients if you need, for example, similar offers for them, or also like shopping experiences or something like that. So you can basically get access to our backend and white label our solution there, so you can easily create those spaces also for your clients basically. Because also recreating those spaces in Three.js, for example, will definitely cost you more salaries of your employees than you would spend for those frameworks we have built. And for example, if you also only work with Unreal Engine or something like that, those applications are hard to host online. So there you would need to rely to expensive service providers for pixel streaming or something like that to run your applications web-based. And then they also have some sort of like input lag and don't directly work natively on phones as well. All this is possible with our Three.js framework. It loads quickly also on phones if you are connected to Wi-Fi, and that you have a smooth experience basically without any input lag and all that stuff. So if all this sounds interesting now, then feel free to check out our virtual 3D offices over the link in the description, and I'm already looking forward hearing from you per mail, or you can also easily book a free meeting in which we can analyze your company and use cases and tailor a custom 3D office based on your needs together. I can of course also help you to brainstorm how a 3D office for you could look like, or show you some more benefits those offices can bring, because from lead generation to recruiting, everything is possible in those offices, but the structure of course would change a little bit there, and the strategy we will build out for you also will change a little bit depending on your needs, what you want to improve in your company basically. But as I mentioned, we can discuss all that stuff then per mail or in a quick meeting, and I'm really looking forward hearing from you. Really, you don't have nothing to lose but much to win there, so I'm really looking forward to it. But that's it for this video. Have a nice rest of your day everyone, and take care. Bye.